Alright guys, we're super excited to have you here with us today at Fremont. You guys have been commenting Fremont, and we're here.
Office Depot, Office Max. Is that the same place?
Yes. Contents: cast aluminum. Serving tray skateboard. 2, present for Aaron Cairo. 3, prizes for
Stealing. Teasing.
steeziest trick.
I'm going for the Steeziest Trick Award. Vote down below.
Whoa.
Aaron, where's the commitment?
Oh.
For my car.
Flame retardant suit. What the heck? Wow, a Dickies jacket?
Dude.
Is that
That's
a
pretty
costume?
ill.
No! It's a freaking
Chef
jacket.
Cairo? No way.
You gotta put that on, dude.
I'm down. I ain't afraid. Hi, Aaron and the entire Braille family. I love Braille skateboarding. I first stumbled upon Gabe's favorite episode and was like, what? This is cool. From there, I binge clicked on the other videos. Then I went to the videos list, and I think I've watched all of them in the past year. Old Braille, You Make It, We Skate It, Games of Skate, I love it all. But my favorite part is when you go and give prizes away to kids. We need some kids here to give some prizes away to.
Me, pick me.
Aaron, I love your passion for what you do and love how you share it with everyone. I work as a chef and I got this serving tray from work and instantly thought that's perfect for skateboarding or You Make It, We Skate It or Stupid Skate. I'm not sure what category it's in. What do you think it is? I think it's probably You Make It, We Skate It. Leave it in the comments below. Oh, that's a good point. What category do you think it's in? Leave it in the comments below. I had the best time making this. I owe that to you. Thank you. I really hope you continue to do what you're doing for a long time. You are all awesome. Shout out to Shockwave Skateboard Shop. Shout out Shockwave.
Hey, Luke's trying to jack your jacket right now.
Oh my god, it's so sick. Please try and do these tricks. 1,
Listen,
Fetty
listen.
no slide.
We haven't even grabbed the board yet.
They're all just playing with the prizes. Oh wow.
Whoa!
Oh wow.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Sick. Sophie! Watch out! Put it in the light. Oh my gosh!
Look of the gab,
Wow.
first try. Sophie, Skate God, Braille
Dude,
in
this
Braille.
is the sickest board ever.
Skateboarding.com. So these are the tricks. You guys ready?
Yes.
1, Fetty no slide. 2, kickflip. 3, Aaron tray flip. If not, shove it revert. Or Aaron, just do a tray revert on a regular board. I love that trick. Thanks. Yes! He really gave me a good set of options there. At David Bombasaro. So you guys can check out his Facebook and his Instagram. Thank you, David. You are an absolute rock star. This thing is incredible.
He says he included prizes for the steeziest trick.
Iced tea?
Oh. We have
3 others.
enough for all of us to just have.
No.
Let's easiest trick it up.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Oh.
Organic.
What in the... Aaron, we didn't even look at the bottom yet. Wow.
Let's skate this. We need to keep that in mind. Kick flip, tray flip, no slide, Fetty.
Hold it up. Look at the shadow. The shadow is legit.
The-
Wow.
Oh, is this supposed to be in there?
Oh, I think
Did it
that was
break
supposed
off
yeah,
in
I
the
think it
mailing?
broke off, yeah.
In the mail, it broke off.
Yeah, I think it was when you were hammering it. Apparently that's a skateboard.
Oh, dang.
Hold my phone, Gabe.
This video is really the fruit of our labors.
I love it when the person says, do this trick. Then we don't have to figure out what to do.
Sorry. Oh, that's scary. Oh! Of course.
First try.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I just kicked really, really hard.
It's very heavy.
Oh, I think I could varial flip it for sure.
It's possible.
Dang, Chef Cairo, okay. Let me see that. Looking clean.
Hold my drink, sucker.
Hold his drink, sucker.
No.
For Dave.
Oh!
Did anybody kickflip it yet?
Carlos did, for sure.
He did?
Yeah,
For reals?
yeah, it was good.
Wow. Oh, you did crack it.
Oh!
Wow.
If anyone hurts Sophie, I swear.
I already did.
It vaguely reminds me of Lance's hairy Bigfoot.
It's true. I did my trick.
I guess I got a varial flip it.
Truth.
Hold up, I gotta empty out my pockets. Oh!
What? The wheel. Where did the wheel go?
It's so majestic.
Oh!
Has
That's
so
what
much
the
weight.
email said. Oh, he sent us an email saying that there was only one bearing in every wheel and that we had to put new wheels on there.
Kickflip right here. Don't worry. Let me get my chef's jacket. You really do that?
Kick,
I gotta land it.
flipped.
Ow! Ah! I'm okay. Anytime it's like this, you're super safe. Anywhere else, super deadly. This is the hottest I've ever been at Fremont ever, but also the stylish.
Dude, seriously, you should wear that all the time.
Straight up. Why do I feel like I'm popping higher than on a regular skateboard?
Kind of hard.
Wow.
So good.
Betty, you got that. I'm about to pass out. Gotta take this off.
Yeah, good. Huh? Yeah, Carlos, you wanna?
Let's change this up real quick.
All right, real quick. Minor fixes. Carlos got the board. He tightened the trucks and put new wheels with better bearings on there. So in theory, I just picked it up and I just got really scared to try my trick. Hey, Carlos, which one is the tail? I'm regretting my decision to get involved with this video. Right here, first try. What do you got on me? Deal.
Okay.
How did they ride this?
Oh, you got that.
Completely underestimated how difficult this would be.
You're...
Didn't we put new wheels on there?
Oh, I think one of them they couldn't.
Aaron, you think
I
got
did no.
this?
I fixed one
No.
wheel, but it's
You don't?
Mm-mm.
Why?
This is hard.
It's hard?
Yeah.
All right, what do you got on this try?
20 bucks.
20? I need a shake. All right. Oh God, I'm gonna die. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I mean, I believe in you, and I believe that you can do anything, but this is some next level pair.
Are you doubting me?
We just bet 20 bucks you couldn't do it. You owe me 20.
it's a Perio kickflip.
All right, I believe in you.
No, you don't.
I believe
I'm already too offended.
Fly. If you don't land it right here, I'm taking Sophie down to the Braille house.
No, you won't. It's taking too long. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? All right, last try. Oh, the back of my shin is, there's no skin there anymore.
You can land it.
I'm gonna freaking land this now. Now I'm mad. Dude, how do I get it to flip all the way? I can't figure it out. All these tries I haven't yet tried for a nightmare flip. That is what my mistake is.
Don't listen to me then.
Oh God, no. Oh no.
So remember that time I tried to kickflip that skim board?
No.
Good.
Do you think I got it, Ron?
Yeah, you're like half rotation off.
You landed it.
Last try, I got it.
that
But I figured it out. Oh no, I didn't. Gabe Cruz. Last try. Ah! All right. Yep. No, I'll take the other one. All right, last try. This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
Gabe landed.
I can't.
Yes, you can, dude.
God. Oh, it was the freaking keys, baby.
Dang.
I always knew you could do it. Nothing but belief.
thank
I just
you,
had
thank
your
you,
back the
thank
whole
you.
time.
I've never board bitten the ground until right now. All right, Carlos,
get a
now you
bunch
can
of
tear it
food.
up. I'm sorry that took so long.
Wow.
No, no, no. Oh, you lost the roof.
Serve it up. Get it? Because it's a serving tray.
Dude, that Chef
Yeah.
Cairo jacket's probably pretty expensive.
And sick, yes. Finally something my wife will be proud of.
Wow.
The one trick I was gonna do.
Why don't you Manny front revered
Just
it?
kidding. What are you, crazy?
I mean, if you actually grew a pair, you could do it.
What does Fetty got?
The hip.
Ow.
Just from personal experience, that's crazy.
Wow. That was beautiful.
It's gonna suck about that wheel, man.
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Does that count?
Yeah, it does.
That was very cool.
Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, oh no, oh no. Who needs eardrums? Oh! Oh!
Why does it feel like the trucks are like about to fall off?
They probably are. Oh no, oh no. Carlos, what ridiculous idea do you have today?
You guys wanted tricks, so I'm gonna do another flip on this.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah.
All right, hashtag notification squad. How many tries does it take Carlos to land this trick? Leave it in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed, liked, shared this video, and you have hashtag notification squad in your comment. We will choose one of you guys and send you a rad prize package. Boom!
He's really dishing it out.
Got him! What in the who?
Oh!
Ah, come on.
First strike!
Oh no.
I got sweat in my eyes, so now my vision is a little impaired.
You got it, Carlos. You got it. Do not lose it. The wheel just slowly rolled away.
Carlos, you need the beverage.
You can't be skating no bev. Ah!
Okay, figured it out.
He's beginning to believe.
You would have landed that if Troy wasn't there. Yes! Boom! Carlos, Air 5.
All right, guys, a huge thanks to Dave and everybody else who has sent us rad stuff on the You Make It, We Skate It line. If you have a great idea, send us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Leave it in the comments below who had the steeziest trick and who deserves the tea. If you don't already have a skateboard, get a skateboard, learn to skateboard. At brailleskateboarding.com, we have everything you need, and we have incredible instructional videos. It's called Skateboarding Made Simple, and it's a full guide to take you all the way up to being a great skateboarder. So check it out at brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.